Today's video is a plan with me as well as some sticky note hacks in the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to plan in my Hobonichi weeks using my unicorn birthday kit. These are the 2 pages of the kit, and we are going to start by taking out all of the sticky notes in my planner. And later in the video, you will see which of the sticky notes are going to make its way back into this page. Now that the page is clean, we're going to start with the right side of the page. I'm going to plan a little bit differently this time. By that I mean I'm going to put all the dates on the right page instead of the left. Here I'm putting down the checklist on the left side of the page, covering all of the dates on the left side of the page. That way I can use it for my notes and to-do lists. Boxes follow the same pattern, so I'm going to switch the right with the left full bottom bar. Here I'm taking that sticker that says happy birthday and placing it on the day of my birthday. Then I'm placing the left bottom bar on the right side of the page. As what I've been doing for the past few plan with me's in my Hobonichi weeks, I'm using the last of the bars, decorative bar this time, on the top of the page. And then I'm pulling out all of the boxes in the kit and placing it either on the right or the left side of the page depending on what I want to write on it. I'm just trying to space out the stickers so that it wouldn't feel too heavy on any of the pages, either left or right. I'm placing that mini box on the right side of the page on Wednesday because that is when I would have classes, and then putting down the weekend script on the weekend and that balloon sticker because my birthday is on a Saturday and I'm very happy about that. Next, I'm putting down a deco with the script today and then doing a little bit of decorating all over the page using the rest of the decos. And now we're done. In this video, I'm also going to show you how I use my sticky notes in my active pages. I like to use my sticky notes as page section markers to highlight a section of the page or even just as a bookmark. I also like to use my sticky notes as notes, actual notes, so if they are unfinished, then they go right back on the page. However, if they are finished, then they should not be on the page at all. I know that's common sense, but sometimes you could forget and it will not be very organized. If you are unsure of any task, so it remains unassigned, then this is the time where you can assign it tentatively to a day. Lastly, be careful where you put your sticky notes. That's more for me, I think. That's it for us today, guys. Please watch out for our new releases on April 15 in our shop, paperjoyph.com. And I hope you learned a little something from my tips. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like planner videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And if you really like our stuff, please go to paperjoyph.com and buy all our stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!